folks. I'm your friend Rohit Kakkad, and I'm very interested and curious about the field of data science analytics. As a result, I'm creating this YouTube channel and videos on AI, Python, and business analytics skills. So, if you're coming here for the first time, I encourage that you subscribe to this channel if you want to receive more updates from me. And in this session, we'll talk about a very interesting topic which is called describe function in Python. What happens is lot of times we have numeric columns as part of the data set, and we need to check in that numeric column what is the average value that we see. Let's say there are 10,000 rows, then what is the average value, what is 25th percentile, 50th percentile or median, 75th percentile, interquartile range, and so on. So we'll jump directly into this. Let me call this describe as the notebook name. So for this demo, I am using Jupyter Hub, and within the Jupyter Notebook within Anaconda environment navigator. And I'm using this data set called save.csv. So how to read this? Save.csv is already there in my home location. This is the file. Okay, let me read this in pandas. Okay, so let's look at the shape of this data. It has 10,000 rows and 4 columns. Let's look at the head. Okay, top 5 rows of the data set. So it has 4 columns A, B, C, D, and A, B, C, D has some random values 0 0.4, 0 0.1, 0.93, 0.13, 0.44, and so on. Now, what we need to do, we need to understand what is the range of values in these numeric columns A, B, C, D. So there's a direct function in pandas called describe, which is really helpful to understand the numeric columns in more detail. So there are call all columns, all 4 columns are filled with 10,000 values. The average value for column is 0.500421. Similarly, for B is also very close, C is also very close, and D is also very close. So these are random numbers. A random data set is there, 4 columns with random values, and we are trying to see what are the average values in each of the column. What is the standard deviation? Okay, so this gives you the standard deviation. This gives you the minimum value. So this has minimum value of 0.0003. This has 00 and 0.0001. 25th percentile. So how do we get this? If we have to calculate manually, we sort the data. We sort the data in ascending order, and we go to the row 25th percent row. Let's say there are 2,000, there are 10,000 rows. So we will go to 2,500th row, and we'll get the value which is 25th percentile sorted in ascending order. Then 50th percentile middle value, and if the total number of count is even, we take average of 2 middle values that we have. If the total number of rows is odd, then we take the middle value, which is 50th percentile, or also called median. 75th percentile. So now you can sort in descending order and take the 25th percentile or percentage row from top. So again take 2050 500th row in that 10,000 rows data set, sorted in descending. So that will give you 75th percentile and the maximum value. Alternatively, you can select one column, or you can choose one column and look at its individual describe and not get distracted with all the 4 column values at once. So here what I've done, I have selected A as the column name, and I'm doing the describe. Okay, so this will give me the exact same values that you see above, but only for column A. Okay, so I hope that you will practice this on your own. It's a very good function for you to look at the numeric values in your data set, and it gives you an idea how many outliers are there in this data set, what is the interquartile range, mean, median, standard deviation, min, max, and so on. Very beautiful function. Hope you will practice it, and if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to this channel if you haven't done so already. Thank you. All the very best.